Yes, good evening students. How are you all? I hope all of you are good. So we were doing our chapter number 13, symmetry and patterns. So in the symmetry and patterns, I have already told you about the symmetry. What is symmetry? So symmetry means if you are doing the half of any object, so the one half and the other half will looks like the same in the picture. So it will be the symmetry. After that, I have told you about the line of symmetry. So what will be the line of symmetry? So line of symmetry can be one or more than one, and there can be zero line of symmetry also. You can take any picture, and if you are doing if you are taking the one half, means if you are doing the by the vertical line you are doing half, and pictures both the pictures look like same or look like exactly the same, so you can say this one will be the one line of symmetry. And if you are doing by the both horizontal and vertical line, you are doing the half of the objects and you are looking to get the same picture, so it means you can say there will be two line of symmetry. Like that, for from the diagonals, if you are dividing it into two parts and both the parts look like the same, so you can see it will be the diagonal line of symmetry. So there can be one, zero, or more than one line of symmetry can be there. After that, the reflection symmetry means what will be the reflection image of any letter of any object. So this is called the reflection symmetry. I have told you about some letters also. If you are have the letter A, and if you are doing the reflection of the mirror image, okay, so what will be the reflection of A? So A will look like the same A letter. But when you are doing the reflection of letter F, so F will look like this, like that, okay. And you are doing the reflection of M, so M will be same, look like will be same. If you are doing the reflection of N, so it will be like that, okay. It will be look like sorry, it will look like that, okay. So this is called the reflection symmetry. After that, next one topic is the rotational symmetry. So what will be the rotational symmetry, beta? So rotational symmetry means rotation, and rotation means how many rotations can be there. Rotation means turning. For example, you have a point, this point, and in this point, for example, I am drawing two lines. One is vertical and one is horizontal line of symmetry. See, okay. And you are taking the complete round of the rotation. It means how much degree of angle you are getting? 360 degree, okay. But when you are dividing it into two parts, so how many turns are there? So this one will be the first turn, okay, and you can say the quarter turn. This one will be the half turn, and you are making the angle of 180 degree. This is third, 3/4 turn, and this is the complete turn. So in the 1/4 turn, or you can say the quarter turn, you are getting the angle of 90 degree. If you are taking the half turn, so you are getting the angle 180 degree, okay. And again you can say in the same quarter turn you will take 90 degree, 90 degree, and the 90 degree. But when you are taking the quarter turns, okay, when you are taking the quarter turn, when you are taking the quarter turn, so you will get the 90 degree angle, okay. But when you are taking the half turns, like that, okay, so you will get the 180 degree. When you are taking the 3/4 turn, so from here to here, so you will get the angle 270 degree. And when you will take the complete turn, so it will be 360 degree angle. So rotation symmetry means you will do the rotation according to the angles, and according to the angles means how much angle you are drawing. And if you are taking the 1/4 turn, or you can say 1/4 means quarter turn. Quarter turn means 1/4 turn. 1/4 turn means 4 ka one part only where you are rotating. So it means you are making the angle of 90 degree. If the half turns from here to here, so it means you are getting 180 degree. And from here to here, if you are taking the 3/4 turn, out of 4 you are taking 3 turn, it means you are taking the angle of 270 degree, and you are taking the all the 4 turns, and you can say the complete revolution, so you will get the angle of 360 degree. So this is called the rotation symmetry. Rotation symmetry you will do according to the rotation. Is it clear? For example, you have the shape of A, and this arrow is given, and this is the shape of A. And if you are taking the half rotation, sorry, if you are giving if you are doing it the quarter rotation, so in quarter rotation you will get the A here, okay. In the half rotation you will get A here. In 3/4 rotation you will get the A here, and in the complete revolution you will get again it as same position, and it will be the original position. This will be A. So if any objects are given and you are giving the symmetry, rotation symmetry, it means you will do the rotation symmetry according to the angles. You are taking the half turn, you are taking the complete turn, you are taking the 1/4 turn or quarter turn, and you are taking the 3/4 turn. Okay, so that one you will do according to the angle. So this is called the rotational symmetry, and rotational symmetry we will do in our let's try too. Is it clear?
Yes students, now we will start our let's try 2, and in the let's try 2 we will do the rotation symmetry. So I have already told you about the rotation symmetry. Rotation symmetry you will do the clockwise or anti-clockwise, and by taking the turns, one turn, half turn or quarter turn or the complete turn, like that. Okay, so in the first question let's try to draw how the shapes will look like after a quarter turn. Quarter turn means 90 degree. Okay, one quarter turn means you will take the one in total 4 turns you will take the one turn only, so it will be the quarter turn or 90 degree angle you can say, and a half turn 180 degree in the clockwise direction. Also circle the shapes which look the same after a half turn, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू विल सर्कल द शेप्स इफ़ इट इज़ सेम आफ्टर द हाफ टर्म के बाद भी अगर पिक्चर अगर आपको सेम दिखती है देन यू विल सर्कल द शेप. क्लियर. So in the first shape it is given 1 2 3 4 5. This is like a pentagon. Pentagon is given. Okay, so in this pentagon if you will take the quarter turn means you will rotate it. It means you will rotate it as 90 degree. Okay, so it means you will rotate it like that. Okay, so it will be made like that. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so this pentagon will made like that when you are taking the quarter turn means you are taking only the 90 degree angle. Okay, after that the half turn. So half turn it means you will take the 180 degree. Half turn means you will rotate it 180 degree. So already you have turned it 90 degree. Now again you will turn it 90 degree, so it will be the opposite of the this one figure. Okay, so it will be like that 1 2 3 4 5 like that. So it will be the half turn. Now you will check this half turn is exactly same as the given shape, and this is different. So this is different, so you will not do the circle of this picture. Clear. After that in the second you can see the arrow, and this arrow you can see in the quarter turn. In quarter turn the arrow will be, if you will take the 90 degree turn, so 90 degree turn the arrow will look like that. It will be like that. Okay, it will turn downwards. Okay, so it will look like that. The space is less here, so I have done this one like that. Okay, I have done like that, and you can color this one also, so it will look like that. Okay, after that if you will take the half turn, so in the half turn it will be opposite of this, because 90 degree already you have taken. Now again you will rotate it 90 degree, so it will be like that. So it will be opposite of the given picture. Okay, like that. This is the arrow. After this one is the shape of the arrow. Okay, so it will look like that after a half turn. Clear. So now you will see the half turn this picture and the given shape, both are same, not both are opposite of each other, so you will not do the circle. Clear. Now next one is the smiley. This one smiley is given, so first you will rotate this smiley 90 degree quarter turn, so it will look like same, the circle will be same, and the eyes will be like that here, and the face will be like that. Clear. And after when you are taking the half turn, this is the quarter turn, and when you will take the half turn, so it will be opposite of this. So opposite of this means circle will be as it is, eyes will be downwards, and the mouth will be up. Okay, like that. So this will be the quarter turn, sorry, half turn, and the half turn and the shapes given is both are different, so you will not do the circle. Next one is this one shape is given, you will take the quarter turn. So in the quarter turn, so it will look like it will look like this one. Okay, you can do the color of that. Okay, so it will look like this after the half turn. but when you will take the, sorry, this is the quarter turn, you are taking the 90 degree. Now you will take the half turn. So in the half turn it will be opposite of this, and the upper and bottom of both the shape will be same. It's same, you can see. And when you will take the half turn, so it will be exactly look like same, like that. Okay, and you can color this one also. So this picture and this picture both are same. So if the after half turn the picture is looking like the given shape, so you will do the circle of the picture. So you can do the circle of this picture. Clear? So this one will be the this part. Next one is like a star is given. So when you will take the half turn of the star, so it will look like same. Okay, in the half turn also it will make like that also. Okay, and when you are taking the quarter turn, it will look like same, and when you will take the half turn, so in half turn also it will be opposite of this. So opposite of this means upper and bottom will be opposite, and left and right also, so they will also look like same, like that. Okay, so you can say after half turn the picture is looking same, so you will do the circle of the picture. Clear? So this is your let's try to question number 1. What will you do? First you will rotate it 90 degree, and in the quarter turns means 90 degree you will rotate, and after 90 degree rotation, because you know very well this is, for example, this is the plus sign. Okay, and this one is your actual position, this one, and when you are rotating it, so it will reach at this place 90 degree. After taking a 90 degree or the quarter turn, when you will take the half turn, so it will reach at this place. So this one will be the opposite of this. So when you are taking the half turn and 180 degrees, so it will be opposite of that. Okay, and when you are taking the 90 degree turn, so it will reach at this one point, and again 90 degrees, so it will be anti-clockwise, it will reach at this point, and clockwise it will reach at this point. But here you are taking clockwise, it is written clockwise direction. So clockwise means clock जैसे चलती, so clock में 12 के बाद 1 2 3 ऐसे बजते हैं. सो 12 के बाद नेक्स्ट कौन सा होगा क्वार्टर टर्न में 3. सो 3 कहाँ होगा? इधर. सो हमें इस साइड रोटेट करना है, दिस वन साइड. क्लियर? सो दिस वाज योर क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट. लेट्स ट्राई 2. We will start our next question. Question number 2. Rotate the following figure as instructed and draw them in your notebook. आपको क्या करना है? इसको रोटेट करना है अकॉर्डिंग टू गिवन इंस्ट्रक्शन, एंड यू विल ड्रॉ इट इन योर नोटबुक. और आपको उसको किस में? नोटबुक में ड्रॉ करना है. ठीक है बेटा. सो इनके लिए स्पेस है भी नहीं, तो आप अपनी नोटबुक की हेल्प से नोटबुक में ही ड्रॉ करोगे इसको. तो फर्स्ट वन इज़ गिवन अ क्वार्टर टर्न क्लॉकवाइज. ठीक है, इसको क्या करना है? क्वार्टर टर्न करना है. और कैसे करना है? क्लॉकवाइज. तो क्लॉकवाइज में आप कहाँ से टर्न करोगे? राइट साइड में अपने, ना कि लेफ्ट में. ठीक है, लेफ्ट में मतलब एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, और व्हेन यू आर टर्निंग राइट साइड, सो इट विल बी क्लॉकवाइज अकॉर्डिंग टू क्लॉक. सो क्लॉकवाइज टर्न करना है. कितना टर्न करना है बेटा? क्वार्टर टर्न. सो क्वार्टर टर्न का मतलब 90 डिग्री टर्न करना है. सो 90 डिग्री टर्न में क्या होगा? इसकी सारी साइड्स जो है वो क्या हो जाएंगी? चेंज हो जाएंगी. दिस वन विल रीच एट दिस प्लेस, दिस वन विल रीच एट दिस प्लेस, दिस वन विल रीच एट दिस प्लेस. क्लियर? सो दिस ऑल द पोजिशन विल बी चेंज्ड. क्लियर है सभी को? सो जो फर्स्ट ऊपर वाली साइड है वो कहाँ जाएगी? राइट, लेफ्ट में, राइट में. सो राइट में क्या होगा? इट विल बी मेक लाइक दैट. ठीक है, सो ये तो हो गई आपकी राइट. ठीक है, नाउ इसके बाद ये वाला पार्ट जो नीचे दिया हुआ है, दिस वन पार्ट यू विल मेक. सो इट विल बी लाइक, ये बेटा नीचे की साइड ऐसे. ठीक है, next one, this one part. So this one will reach at this position. Now last one will be this one part. So this one will be this one. Clear? So like that you will rotate the picture, and after rotating the 90 degree, or you can say the quarter turn, you will get this one picture. Clear? So this was your quarter turn after clockwise. So clockwise means you will turn it clockwise, and you will turn it, when you will turn it clockwise 90 degrees, so your picture will look like this one. Okay, the upper part, this one line will look here, this one will look here, this means all the line will change. Okay, so it will look like this one. Next one is 3/4 turn clockwise. Next one is 3/4 turn clockwise. So 3/4 turn clockwise means this one is one turn only. Okay, if you, this one is, for example, this one is the actual position. If you will take the one turn, so m will be in the down. Now you will take the second turn. so it will be here. When you will take the third turn, so third turn M will be here. So you will take 3/4 turn, so 3/4 turn the shape will be like that. M will be at this position, up position, and all the three colors will be there, but what will be the actual position of the color? So this is the actual position when you will take the first turn. So green color will be down. When you will take the second turn, so green color will be at first position, and when you will take the third turn, so in the third turn the upper part will be green, this one will be green color, the middle part will be this one yellow, and the third one will be red. Clear? So like that you will get the picture. First one will be green, second one will be yellow, and third one will be red. So this one like that you will get, where you can do the color also in this picture if you have color. So this was the B part. Now in the next part, C part, it is given half turn clockwise. So it is given the picture of P. P is given and you have to turn it clockwise, and clockwise how much turn? Half turn. So half turn means if P is looking like that, if you will take the quarter turn, so it will be like that, and if you will take the half turn, so it will look like that. Okay, so it will look like that, so it will be like that. P, it will be look like that one. Okay, and you can do the color of this picture P. So after half turn it will look like that. Now next one, D part, is complete turn anti-clockwise. Complete turn anti-clockwise. Complete turn means you will take the complete round 360 degree, and after 360 degree you have to check which picture will see. So it will be anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means you will turn it from your left hand side, अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में इसको आपको क्या करना है? रोटेट करना है. सो F को पहले आप इधर रोटेट करोगे, सो इट विल लुक लाइक 90 डिग्री में. कैसा दिखेगा बेटा? ऐसा. ठीक है. आफ्टर दैट इफ़ यू विल टेक हाफ टर्न, सो ये दिखेगा ऐसा. आफ्टर हाफ टर्न इफ़ यू विल टेक द 270, सो इट विल लुक लाइक this one, and when you will take the complete turn, so it will again the picture of F. Clear? So when you will take the complete turn clockwise or anti-clockwise, in both the direction clockwise or anti-clockwise, the picture will look same exactly. Clear? So this one will be your D part, and the picture will look like same in clockwise or anti-clockwise, both the directions. Is it clear?